I don't know. It might have enough to.
I feel like it actually kind of stood better there.
Yeah, see if it.
Is it recording already? Okay. Which will be hard now that it's full of sand. Or full of water. You ready? Yes. Oh, it's so not gonna start again.
Oh, yeah.
Smells like nature.
It does.
It's like a whole beach. You gotta remember, it's sucking valves, or I can't speak, BBs down into the valves. Oh, flammable sand. Well, I'm glad I caught that. I can taste it. Mm. We have an open valve somewhere.
Yep.
Oh, fuck it. Just keep trying it. I'm gonna stand back a little bit, though. I'm covered in just... I think she needs more ether.
It's not even gonna.
Couldn't imagine why. I am soaked. I really hope coolant ain't bad on clothes.
I'll feel that.
Is it gritty?
I dumped a bunch of sand down in it. So.
Sticky. Phone screen's covered in sand. Get the ether real quick. We'll spray more in there and see what it does.
It's just gonna push it back out. It smells so good.
Worst it'll do is catch itself on fire. Or blow back at me again. Which I hope not, because that was loud. Yeah, I'd say it's done. Not how I wanted it to go, but...
No, but I know it didn't lock up.
Durangos are always good about vacuum cleaning.